Skeletal system. You often feel something hard when you touch your arm, your leg or head. Do you know what that hard substance inside body is? Well, this hard substance is a bone. A human body is made up of 206 bones together. These bones form a framework. Thus, it gives shape to our body. A body without a skeleton will appear like a jelly that has no shape of its own. A skeleton gives shape and support. It also helps in movement of various parts of body. It protects soft organ of the body like heart, lung, etc. The skeleton comprises four main parts: the skull, backbone, rib cage, the limbs. Skull. Let us first learn about the skull. The skull is made up of bones of head and face. All the bones of the skull are immovable except the lower jaw. There are 22 bones in the skull, 8 flat bones and 14 facial bones. The flat bones of the skull are known as cranium, and the function of the skull is to protect the brain. Rib cage. The rib cage is the bony structure present in the chest area. You can easily feel it when each time you keep your hand on your chest. The ribs are curvy in shape. There are 12 pairs of ribs present in the human being. The ribs are joined to the backbone on the back and to the breastbone in the front. The breastbone is also known as sternum. The rib cage protects many important organs of the body such as heart and lungs. Backbone. The backbone is also known as spine. The spine helps you to bend down and pick up the things or to tie your laces. It runs from back of the skull to the lower back of the body. The spine is made up of 33 small bones called vertebrae. These small bones join together. The rib cage is to attach to it. The function of the spine is to support the body and to protect spinal cord. Limbs. We have 2 pairs of limbs, forelimbs and hind limbs. Forelimbs have 3 bones. The upper bone of the arm is called humerus. Lower arm has 2 bones called radius and ulna. The arm is attached to collarbone and shoulder blade. Hind limb. 3 bones in the leg together form the hind limb. There is 1 bone in the upper leg called femur or thigh bone and 2 bones in the lower leg called tibia and fibula. Legs are supported by pelvic bone.